Good day, here's the latest news for today. As a direct result of the pandemic, Resolution No.72 of the National Task Force for COVID-19 has changed this year's celebration of All Souls Day and All Saints Day. How will we remember our departed loved ones this year, Raymark Semania?
Yes, Jing, the Resolution No.72 of the National Task Force for COVID-19, as amended, stated the rules governing all the activities related to the observance of the UNDAS season. This also prompted Governor Bambi Emano to release an executive order adopting the guidelines of the National IATF to be imposed for the season in the entire province. Under the said resolution, all public and private cemeteries in the province, as well as memorial parks such as columbariums and the like, are ordered to close starting from October 29 to November 4, 2020. The resolution states that everyone may visit before and after the said dates, considering that there is strict compliance of the minimum health standards such as wearing a face mask and face shield, and the implementation of 30% maximum visitors from the total capacity of the identified areas. This is to observe social and physical distancing. Although there is no age restrictions to be applied, the provincial government led by Governor Bambi Emano and the Provincial Task Force for COVID-19 headed by Dr. Jerry Kalingasan encourages people under the age of 21 and those above 60 to just stay at home and keep themselves safe and protected from the possibility of being contaminated with the virus. Part of our culture and tradition is to visit our deceased loved ones to show them that we still remember and honor them. However, may this resolution makes us understand that our safety will always be the top priority of the government. This is Raymark Semania, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the Province of Misamis Oriental. Jing?
Thanks, Raymark. In another story, Governor Bambi Emano gave an important message asking Provincial Task Force for COVID-19 Chief Dr. Jerry Kalingasan to not get tired and not to lose hope in Misamis Oriental's fight against COVID-19. Let's hear the whole story from Ethel Ipanag.
Jing, during the 27th virtual flag raising ceremony of the provincial capital, Dr. Kalingasan made it known that he is already tired in always reminding people on how to protect themselves against the virus, after observing some who have not heeded his warning and instructions. After hearing Dr. Jerry Kalingasan's words, Governor Bambi Emano immediately asked the Provincial Task Force Chief to not give up and continue in leading Misamis Oriental in overcoming COVID-19. The Governor added that Dr. Jerry Kalingasan is the most qualified person for the job due to his experience and expertise. Jing, Governor Bambi Emano recognizes that there is a lot of challenges in fighting the pandemic, but he is assuring everyone that the provincial government of Misamis Oriental will continue to do everything in its capacity for us to rise on top and beat COVID-19. This is Ethel Ipanag, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the Province of Misamis Oriental. Jing.
Thanks, Ethel, and that is the latest news for today. For more updates, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. This is Jing Kirasit. Good day.